Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. Digibyte, more secure, faster, forward thinking. Digibyte is more than a faster digital currency. It is an innovative blockchain that can be used for digital assets, smart contract, decentralized applications, and secure authentication. You can also learn more information about Digibyte right here. What makes Digibyte stronger than others? Digibyte is a rapidly growing open source blockchain created in late 2013 and released in early 2014. After 10 years of forward thinking development, Digibyte has become one of the safest, fastest, longest, and most decentralized UTXO blockchain in existence. Truly decentralized, Digibyte has never been funded through an ICO or a significant amount of pre-mined coins. There is no CEO or a company controlling the Digibyte blockchain. It is a volunteer-based and global community-driven project. More secure, Digibyte uses 5 cryptographic algorithms and real-time difficulty adjustment to prevent malicious mining, centralization, and hash power fluctuation. One of which is audio crypt that changes itself every 10 days. Much faster. Digibyte block occur every 15 seconds, which is 40x faster than Bitcoin and 10x faster than Litecoin. SegWit enables up to 4x amount of transactions per second with negligible fees. Forward thinking. Over the past 10 years, Digibyte has repeatedly set itself apart with multiple blockchain firsts such as DigiShield, Guard, multi-algo mining, SegWit implementation, AutoCrypt algorithm, Dandelion privacy protocol, DigiAssets, and DigiID. Here you can see the video that what is Digibyte. Watch the introduction video. You must watch their introduction video. This is how the Digibyte blockchain works. The 3 layers are the most innovative part of the Digibyte blockchain, providing the network infrastructure, security, and communications to function with cutting-edge speed. Number 1. Application DigiAssets. The top layer is like an app store with clear real-world uses. All type of digital assets can be created with the DigiAssets protocol on top of the Digibyte's blockchain. Decentralized application DApps can be built on top of the Digibyte blockchain. Also, smart contracts that leverage the rigidity and security of the Digibyte blockchain can be encoded easily. Number 2. Digital assets public ledger. The middle layer provides security and administration, a digital byte of data, a representation of larger data, or a unit that holds value and cannot be counterfeited, duplicated, or hacked. An immutable public ledger where all transactions of Digibyte are recorded. Digibyte uses 5 proof of work algorithms for security. New Digibytes come from mining only. Number 3. Core protocol global network. The bottom layer provides communication and operating procedures, a very low-level way nodes on the Digibyte global network communicate. Thousands of people are running Digibyte software all across the planet. Any server, computer, tablets, or mobile phone connected to the Digibyte network becomes a node that helps relay transactions. Start contributing to the Digibyte blockchain in the optimal way. Number 4. Open source permissionless. Just like this website, the Digibyte blockchain is completely open source and free to use, released under the MIT license, which gives you the power to run and modify the software. Transparency allows for independent verification of binaries and their corresponding source code. Digibyte protocol on GitHub, Digibyte core development on GitHub. Here you can check Digibyte blockchain states. I'm showing you their statistics. This is the free and open source website to find real-time data and information about Digibyte blockchain pulled directly from the chain via Digibyte. The Digibyte blockchain was launched on January 10, 2014. There is no company, centralized group, mastermind, entity, or individual who control DGB. DGB is truly decentralized and is the best combination of speed, security, and decentralization you will see in any blockchain in the world today. DGB is a layer 1 UTXO blockchain with 15 seconds blocks, 5 mining algos, and a max supply of 21 billion DGB. DGB has pioneered several innovations since 2014. You can also check it out their blockchain statistics right here. This is an outstanding project. Now back to the website. Next, we have the history of DigiByte. Discover the major development milestones of the DigiByte blockchain. Multi-algo activated to use 5 different algorithms to prevent mining centralization. Like this, you can read their whole history of DigiByte. Next, we have a digital currency you would absolutely love. DigiByte is a highly scalable peer-to-peer digital currency that enables industry-leading transaction speeds with negligible fees. DigiByte is the best means of making digital payment. Easy to use. Getting started to use DigiByte is even easier than sending an SMS. You can send and receive DigiBytes using the devices you already know and love. All you need is installing a DigiByte supported wallet, then click scan the QR code, and send DigiByte as easy as 1, 2, 3. Not an ICO. DigiByte has never been funded through an ICO or significant amount of pre-mined coins. 0% remaining. There is no CEO or a company controlling the DigiByte blockchain. The founder, developers, and the community are unpaid volunteers that eliminate the bankrupt risk. Much faster. DigiByte transactions are confirmed in approx 15 seconds, which is 40 times faster than Bitcoin and 10 times faster than Litecoin. Segwit enable up to 40 times amount of transactions per second, and negligible fees make DigiByte the ideal currency for quick daily payment. Always secure. DigiByte has been built on the uncrackable technology of the Bitcoin blockchain and implemented various advanced enhancements over it, such as DigiShield, Guard, multi-algo mining, and the AutoCrypt algorithm. Also, Dandelion privacy protocol help keep you safe by hiding your IP and physical location. Mineable. DigiByte is a 100% proof of work blockchain that can be mined with 5 algorithms. Multi-algo mining contributes to decentralization, security of the network, and give you the freedom to use different kind of hardwares. Manageable units. Compared to 21 million Bitcoin, 21 million DigiByte have been designed to be ready for mass adoption. DigiByte's block reward reduced by 1% every month instead of halving every 4 years. All 21 billion DigiBytes will be mined by the year 2035. After 2035, the miners will then rely on transaction fees alone. You can also learn more information right here. Quick picks from the DigiByte ecosystem. All exchanges and services that support DigiByte can be found on the DigiByte wiki. Here you can check it out, all this stuff right here. This is an outstanding platform. A simplified way to create digital assets. DigiAssets is a secure, scalable layer on top of the DigiByte blockchain that allow for the decentralized issuance of digital assets, tokens, smart contract, digital identity, and more. Limitless possibilities. DigiAssets can be used to securely represent anything we find in the physical world, from tangible assets such as real estate or cars, through to scarce digital pieces of art. Signed documents such as deeds and medical bills can be protected. Growing confidently. DigiAssets as an ecosystem and platform already has interested parties either planning on or currently building platform in real estate, finance, remittance, identity, point of sale, racing, trade, healthcare, supply chain, government, and more. Solid technology. DigiAssets leverages unique aspects of a truly decentralized blockchain only found within a permissionless blockchain like DigiByte. This allows DigiAssets to be more secure, scalable, and decentralized than any other platform in the market. Get started with DigiAssets. Learn the protocol. Discover the open source digital assets protocol specification for detailed information about issuing and transacting digital assets on top of the DigiByte blockchain. DigiAssets protocol on GitHub. DigiAssets core overrides and expansion. Issue and assets. Not a developer, definitely not a problem. Anyone can easily issue a DigiAssets by using one of the tools available without having technical knowledge about the protocol. Number 3, store and trade. Wondering how to use DigiAssets? Visit DigiAssets supported services to buy, sell, and swap DigiAssets. Need more help? Do you need more assistance about DigiAssets? Please feel free to join the DigiByte developers group on Telegram to ask your questions or share your ideas. See DigiAssets in action. Discover DigiAssets supported services to experience DigiAssets. DigiAssets acts as an NFT creator and auction platform that also has many other services incorporated within. A DigiByte domain is a name that references a public address. It's powered by DigiAssets and the domain is the asset. You can also check it out. More information right here. This is a fabulous project. Authentication at its best. DigiID is a security protocol built on DigiByte blockchain technology that empower users to effortlessly sign into website, application, and even into the Internet of Things. Easy authentication. DigiID eliminates the username, password, and 2FA requirements for authentication. Because DigiID uses public-private key cryptography, there are no password or username at risk. This method not only protects the consumer, it also protects the services that the consumer uses. Flawless security. DigiID doesn't store any data about its user on the Digibyte blockchain. This further strengthens the security while also bolstering end users' confidence that their data is neither tracked nor at risk by others' negligence. There is no external point of failure for an hacker to exploit your platform. Simple and free. DigiID is completely free. There are no fees, subscription services, or maintenance costs. But the cost is its second best feature. Its primary feature is that, in accordance with Digibyte security prioritization, DigiAssets is a more secure yet simple method available to log into websites, app, and more. It works like this. Number 1, generation. The website, application, or product generates a unique DigiID QR code and presents it. Number 2, scanning. The user scans the QR code from any DigiID supported app. Number 3, authentication. The user authenticates the request by entering their app PIN code or scanning their fingerprint or face. Number 4, confirmation. DigiID sends the cryptographically signed request back and the user is successfully logged in. Next, we have the frequently asked question. Here you can see the frequently asked question. You must read the questions right here. See DigiID in action. Discover DigiID supported services to experience seamless authentication. You can also check it out, all this stuff right here. The most passionate community ever. Thousands of volunteers from all over the world have contributed to Digibyte in countless ways of years to make it what it is today. It is the truly grassroots movement. We warmly welcome you to join us. Digibyte Alliance, Digibyte Awareness Team, Digibyte Developers. You can also check it out, all this stuff right here. Next, we have their social media accounts and their Telegram groups. You must join their Telegram groups for the latest update. Telegram is the most popular and simple way to engage with the global Digibyte community. Please join the group below which you are interested in or see the list of all Digibyte groups. You must join their all Telegram groups right here. This is a fabulous project. And you can also follow them on other social media platforms. Follow Digibytes across all primary social media platforms to keep up with the latest Digibyte news and share the post with your friends to help us make our voices heard all over the world. Here you can see their Twitter account and Telegram community discussions. Now back to their website. Next, we have the Digibyte Wiki. The Digibyte Wiki is an online encyclopedia built by a community. For the community, it contains useful and up-to-date data such as the Digibyte ecosystem and how to guide. Anyone can positively contribute to the wiki by creating a free user account and smart adding or updating information on the Digibyte Wiki. Meet the creator of Digibyte. Jared Tate is the founder and creator of the Digibyte blockchain. Jared dedicated full-time development toward Digibyte since October 2013. He has been invited by MIT, Harvard, and the US Capitol to speak on blockchain tech. He is also the co-author of the book Blockchain 2035: The Digital DNA of Internet 3.0, which is the first book written by a blockchain founder. Next, we have their social media disclaimer. You must read their disclaimers right here. Contribute to the Digibyte community. Change Angel is a crypto-to-crypto, wallet-to-wallet swap exchange service that supports community projects. Choose your app. Select an application to sign, accept, and store your Digibyte and DigiAssets or securely authenticate by using DigiID, current Digibyte Core, protocol, and wallet all in one. Digibyte Core contains a fully copy of the blockchain and build the backbone of the network. It is the commonly used by developers, exchange, and other businesses as well as by community members. To decentralize the network by running a full node, it's also doubled as a software wallet. Full validation, support the network, high stability, SIGWet support. This is available for this Windows. Next, we have Digibyte documents and guides. Looking for more documentation? Whether you need basic information from an article or technical information for your integration process, you can reach all the necessary guide below. You can also read their documents and guide right here. Apps developed by third-party services, software wallet. You can check it out, all this stuff right here. Next, we have hardware wallet. debit cards, point of sale app, Digi ID app, tool and solution, and furthermore, you must check it out. All this stuff right here. This is an outstanding project. You must join this social platform. This is an amazing platform. Here you can see they're all social platforms right here. You must join the social platform for the latest update. This is a fabulous project. You can also buy these cryptocurrencies on crypto.com, Singapore's premium crypto trading platform. Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 350 plus cryptocurrencies with SGD and USD. Instant zero fees SGD deposits via Fast and Apple Google Pay. Secure zero fee USD deposit via SWIFT. Licensed by MAS as a major payment institution. Trusted by over 100 million users worldwide. This is a fabulous project. You must invest on it and earn a lot of profit. You can also compare their token right here, Bitcoin BTC via Digibyte comparison. On this page, you can compare Bitcoin with Digibyte. Which coin is better to buy now? What will be the better investment? You can read more about cryptocurrency investment strategies in this article. Some additional rule you can also find here. Finally, you can read about the top 10 trading mistakes leading to failure in this article. You can also check it out. All this stuff right here. This is an amazing project. I hope you liked the video, but before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about their amazing projects, so do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.